There's tons of baby horses and big horses you look in your side if you can see. I'm a motorcycle. Oh my gosh. I think those are sheep. Whoa.
Bong, bong, bong.
Yeah. Whoa. Wow.
Yeah, Kaidoma has a lot of questions.
Wow, that's a lot of
Now this one, he was a tractor and he was up, but the tree, this one here, fell on him this winter. So now we're going to have to fix it back. But it's good. Because we put all the rocks in so we could follow them.
You guys put the rock in?
Yeah.
How did you get the circular one?
We bought them, and these ones we did too. They were ones that were square, and they had gotten broken, so they gave them to us free. So we used them to do this.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been a lot of work, but we had 6 children to help them.
Six? Oh, that's a lot. That's really important.
There used to be little bushes all along.
Now more
Adventure, right side. Whoa. Two bullet. Oh.
All aboard on the train.
May kung kato le.
All aboard.
Mano, careful.
There you go. Nice and easy. Eh?
You guys made this, right?
Yeah, my 2 oldest sons.
Wow.
Tom and Samuel.
Are all of your children carpenters?
Well, they
Yeah.
were. Had to keep them busy or they get in trouble.
Go down building.
You want to go to a building?
They're good at building.
Oh, a building. Okay.
Hardwood.
Yeah, there's lots of farming.
No, salad to sorry mano.
What was in that Coke you were drinking?
Lawa. Hoy bong. Yeah, luay. Hoy bong.
Kind of likes this. Gonna fall asleep?
No na.
Hey.
No, I'm terrified.
Spider.
Wow. Kaya ngang na ngay.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna destroy you. So destroy.
Yeah, get a picture of that man. Where are you going?
Nếu lích lích kìa.
There's some Chinese vegetables too.
Thằng mình đã lấy quỷ đàn thì không có thể.
Busy bee.
Basambu. Ya, basapean ko yun. Nicha si. Ya, ang kamtam. Tung từng Ôi, xem nung payo ya. Wow.
Yeah, we just got it.
Ai lại hội nhớ về ni liệt đi được.
Wait, you guys
Ayo, ayo. Đi chậm thôi.
That one's nice for the kids. Don't get scared.
Oh my god.
Alay kan mo ni nga bo.
What's this tree?
Come on. Try.
They tried it.
That's a pear tree. We just planted it.
No, no mo.
I think I'm a
Oh.
They have two beds. Sleeping bag.
Hey, bang yellow. Alu.
All the birds.
Wadam bem. Winter. Ting.
We had the camp, they all sit around the fire. And we play, what's that game?
Bem bem.
How'd you play?
Iki mo ba? Bem bem. Bem cut. Cut cut.
Is it?
Earlier we went on it. Fell.
And it flipped you.
It fell.
Bang nga nang.
Over here. Wait. What is this supposed to be?
Basta.
All he did was sit here and drink milk all day.
Me too. Ma.
This is weird.
Uy. baby.
How's
Baby.
this comfortable? It's so weird. Let me try.
You want to try? No, we're going to the barn.
Yay!
Man.
นักเก็ตหมูมั้ยเราเย้ๆน่าเราปีโอ้ลำบากให้เห็นด้วยChicken. Phải không vậy?
It was like a real barn. It was like a real barn. What happened to all of them?
Mama, nó lỏng mà.
You can have those eggs. Take them home with you.
Wait, what? We can eat them?
Yep.
Why don't they reproduce?
Repro.
Look at that one. I want to look at that one. Look at this one. Why won't they reproduce? All is supposed to be in there.
Come on. You guys can take those home.
Chicken.
Here,
Hi.
let me get some.
Dâu à?
Hey, what is this letter for?
Lady, she makes those flowers.
Or see. What's all of this?
That's toys.
What's those? Why? Wait, this is shopping.
They won't sleep with us.
I hope it's in loud.
These are, excuse me. We kept all the children's toys and we kept them in here.
Why?
Chị có qua đây. Đi đi.
What's
Cái đồng đó.
This is where
Yeah, it was July 1st. Yeah, it was July 1st. Not dancing. Oh no.
sister and brother. Maybe 19.
Yeah.
Sean Kim. Hello. Yeah, Lian, your turn. Back. Lian,